Pry off the reading light with a pry bar. Unplug all plugs. Remove the outer trim panels one by one. Enlarge the hole at the corresponding position of the light strip. LED strip go through hole. Restore the panel. Remove the left side panel of the dashboard. Pry out the A-pillar trim panel. Connect the reading light socket to the ambient light socket under the steering wheel or to footwell light socket. Run the wiring along a pillar to the reading light location. Remove the front trim panel of the reading light for wiring. Hide the exposed wiring. Restore pillar trim. Restore other trim panel. Plug LED lamp. To reading light. Restore all plugs. Reinstall the reading light. Installation completed. Installation effect. Synchronize with original ambient light, almost no color difference.